Hello everyone, my name is Varadarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today I am going to discuss about the business model canvas, about the company name is Tesla. So here the business model canvas, it will be the external agentic AI conversation. It will be enabled with the limited personalized learning support to the alliances of manufacturing and purchasing of Toyota. These are all the partners name. I'm going to discuss about that. So one of the big key activities of this particular company is research and development, design and innovational and lead and software development and sales, marketing, and also the building and maintenance of charging stations network. These are the key activities they are majorly focusing upon the Tesla, and also their partners in that OEM alliance and manufacturing and purchasing and car leasing company and major suppliers and Dana Holding and Panasonic. So under government oriented things also they are partnership with their those type of concerns. So and also the engineering and space sectors also they are probably they are going to contribute. And also here what are the key resources of this particular company is the majorly they are focusing about electric vehicle and technological knowledge. So nowadays, most of the cars also it will be a very good the manufacturing aspect also and the production aspect and quality aspect it will be very good compared to the other electric cars and other companies, and also their inverter and the battery system and the effective cooling system and automation and engineering. These are all the criteria. Based upon the criteria it will be a very what innovative and it will be much more needed among the society nowadays. So that a lot of companies they are nowadays they are implemented about the electric vehicle, but here the particularly Tesla they are manufacturing their battery and inverter system, and then cooling system is much more advantage when compared to the other electric vehicles. So that's why they are most of the people they are buy that particular vehicle, and also the value proportions for that company is best in class and fully electric vehicles and advanced electric vehicle technology and also solar energy systems. So these are all the things it will be there majorly they are focusing about indeed electric vehicles. Okay, so full and full electrical oriented and solar energy system they are focusing on. And also this particular company is the customer relationship for this particular company is very branding value and reputations and the free and low cost charging station network. These are all the some of the customer relationship it will be they are maintaining in a very good manner. Okay, so that customer service point of view, their brand reputation, and also that the cost of fuel that charging station also it will be much more familiar and it will be frequently they are easily they are getting a charging station nearby. So and also in the customer segments the high end sedan and SUV type it will be available, and the mid price range is also available. So these types of cars also the vehicle it will be available. Commercial vehicle targeted towards the transportation and the shipping business, and also green community and fast sports and enthusiastics, autopilot mode and Tesla followers and Elon Musk followers. These are all the customer segments they are having with that particular company, and also they are channeling in the retail and stores and galleries, partner channel, and self-service online store and website, conference and sales events. And also the revenue stream is majorly they are focusing on the automotive segments and revenue. So the energy generation and storage segment it will be very powerful then. So and also that cost structure also it will be based upon the material they are using, based upon the labor and manufacturing overhead and the production that manufacturing unit, based upon that. So they are fixing the cost and the margin of the particular vehicle, and also the selling general administrative cost also it will be very good, and also the research and development cost and the reconstructing cost and the interest and expense and the taxes and other cars also, it will be a very good thing when compared to the Tesla. Okay, thank you.